Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Neet 3 A level physics, ray optics, refraction, MCQ 12 questions and detailed answers for senior secondary level. Let's start. Children, in previous videos I have shown you reflection and properties, 12 questions in each. I hope you understood. If not seen, you see that Neet 1 and 2 also, and give your impression. If the content is good, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. What is refraction? Here in refraction, that is comes under the ray optics, refraction and loss. There are two laws as you have seen in reflection. Similarly here also. Then apparent depth, real depth, relation, total internal reflection, refraction at spherical surface, introduction part, and assumptions and sign conventions, which you have seen even in reflection. Let's start the content. Refraction. Refraction is the phenomena when a light goes from one medium to another medium, it deviates its path, as it is shown here. Here is the glass slab or any other medium which is optically denser, and other medium may be air. Let's start the ray which is traveling from air to glass or air to denser medium. You can see that the path is deviated. The ray which is showing here, it is coming from rarer medium, optical rarer medium to denser optical medium. Then it is coming back. When it is coming back, if you extend this line, it will be seen that the incident ray and emergent ray parallel, and there is a distance between them that we will discuss in the next content. Let us draw the normals over on the first surface and second surface, n and n. Then you can see there is a angles. First angle is angle of incidence and another angle is angle of refraction. Here angle of refraction is smaller than the angle of incidence. So when it goes from denser medium to rarer medium, we can see that the angle of the rarer medium will be greater. This is a very important concept the children must understand. I think it is clear. You might have seen in lower classes that when a pencil is kept in water, the pencil look like little raised. So that is just because of the light rays, not because of the bending of pencil. So the same phenomena we can see that applications I will show you. Our main aim is concentrating on the basic Neet and basic senior secondary concepts which help you to write Neet MCQ questions. After this concept, I am going to give you 12 questions and elaborated answers. One must watch this video up to the end, then you will understand. And then two laws, as you have seen in reflection, here also same thing, laws of refraction. First law, the incident ray, that is here, and refracted ray and normal drawn all lies in same plane. Second law, it is a Snell's law which gives you the relation between rarer medium to denser medium, that we call it as refractive index. So that is given by Snell's law. According to Snell's law, the constant between these two mediums can be easily found using that sine I, means angle of incidence, and sine R, angle of refraction. If you know I and R, we can easily find out. For glass, it will be 1.5, and water it is 1.3. Diamond will be very high, And as this optical density, if it is more and more for diamond, that is why diamond is very costly. Once the light enter into the diamond, it will look like sparkling colors. That also one of the important in the refraction phenomena. Let's start some tips over here for objective type. First one is mu. What is mu? Mu is optical rarer medium is lower and the denser medium is higher. That you have to remember. Rarer medium is optical refractive index is less. Denser medium is optical refractive index is more. So when it goes from air to glass, it is 1.5. Why? Because glass is more. Again, second one is air and vacuum. It will be considered. It will be equal to 1. This all you have to remember. The velocity and wavelength light changes when it goes from one medium to another medium, due to which there is a deviation in the path. Next one is frequency and phase. Frequency, number of vibrations in air and glass are remain same, and phase also same. There is no same physical. There is no change of physical vibrations of light. So these two important formulas which you have to concentrate for MCQ. So when a light goes from air to any medium, then that is equal to speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. Another formula is in terms of wavelength. Since frequency is same, then frequency is cancel out and wavelength will come. So lambda A by lambda M. Lambda A is wavelength in air, wavelength in medium. These are the questions which will come definitely in your NEET exam and as well as in your senior secondary exam, intermediate in physics, and also in your entrance examinations, wherever you write the test in optics. So here is principle of reversibility. It is not just I want to show you how it will get retraced. See here, a light is going from rarer to denser. When you keep one mirror perpendicular to the refracted ray, it will go back. So that means what? Light, whatever way it is coming, उसी रास्ते से वो वापस जाएगा. इसको बोलते हैं हम principle of reversibility. So you can see here one important formula will develop when light goes from A to glass, that is A medium to B medium, and again reverse it is coming B medium to A medium, it will get cancelled out, it will equal to 1. This is the relation which help you for MCQ questions. Next, we will see refraction through parallel glass slab. This is a glass slab which is the optical denser known as B and rarer medium which is air known as A. So when light comes from air to glass, as usual it will deviate because of the change in speed. The thickness of the glass is T, and refractive index, the relation between the air to glass, you can easily see that using Snell's law. And when you extended this incident line, there will be a lateral displacement will come. The distance between the incident ray and emergent ray distance, perpendicular distance, is called lateral distance. That can be found out here by using this formula, lateral shift. Y is equal to T sine delta. Delta is the angle made to incident ray to refracted ray. Cos R1. R1 is first refractive angle of refraction. So similarly, some other formulas are there which help you to understand. Finally, we'll get the relation between the lateral deviation and thickness. I am not much interested in your derivation point, only to concept for MCQ. MCQ for NEET examination, A-level students, I would like to tell in this video. Then compound, when you are taking, that means compound slab means having more than two medias. two optical denser medias. That is, one is air, other one is glass, another one is water, or anyone. So refractive index of glass, air is A, B is second medium, third medium. How light goes, you can see here. How nicely the light will be enter here. It deviates by the first medium. Again, it is second medium. That means what? This will be air, this will be glass. Two times it is bending towards the normal. You can see here. Here, first normal, it will be bending here. Again, when it is enter optical higher density, it will again bend. When it is come out, it will be parallel to the incident ray. This is what you have to understand. Easily, the diagram is helping you. Try to remember and see properly all those things, and you can see the one relation will come. A to B, you will get this. B to C, you will get this. C to A, you will get this. A, B, C are the three medias. When you multiply, you will get 1. This is one of the important relation which will help you to solve numericals. Then one very important equation you are going to see once, that is refractive index. Also, we can define in the form of real depth and apparent depth. See the animated figures over here, just one beaker over here, and some extent the water is filled, and one coin is kept at O. Now let us see the light. Let us assume that light coming from O, which is which is passes through the liquid. When it is enter into the rarer medium, as I told you, it will bend away from the normal. So if the light passes normally, it will not deviate. This is one of the property you have to remember. When a light travel perpendicular to the two intermediate surfaces, it will not deviate. So that is very important concept which may be coming in short answer questions or in your objective type. So okay, when you are drawn here, you will get a triangle, and when you extend this refracted ray in the rarer medium, it will meet at O dash. Actual position is O. Apparent position is O dash. Then we can find out the relation. That relation is easily we can prove it here. Uh, refractive index of A to B is real depth by apparent depth by taking the Snell's laws. So then one of the important tips over here is if the observer is in rarer medium, the object is in denser medium, then HA greater than HR. HA means apparent depth. HR means real depth. It is less. To bird, it is an example you can easily see. Yeah, to bird, the fish appears to be nearer, but actual position will be little deeper. That you can find out using this formula. So second tip is very important. If we observe the if you observe in denser medium and object is in rarer medium, that time to fish, the bird appears to be farther the actual height. So the bird will be relaxing that the fish is relaxing that bird is very tall distance, very long distance. It may not able to catch. So like that, the things will be easily understand using this physical phenomena. Then some are important here. Total internal reflection. This total internal reflection, one can easily see here that light is going straight, it will not deviate. When light goes away from the perpendicular incline, then it will be bent away. The second line will be bending. See this. First one do not take any refraction. Second one you can see partially get refract and reflect. Third one you can see again it will bend, since it is incident angle in the denser medium is greater. Then again you can see that it is a grazing angle. that will be perpendicular refracted ray